Hi besties, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm also doing fine. Today we are going to clean dining chairs. They are so dirty because we have kids in the house. They pour everything on the chairs. I'm going to show you in a minute. First thing first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some baking soda so that it can remove the smell, and then after that I'm going to mix my soap. What I'm going to be using, I will show you guys. I hope this works because the chairs are so dirty and there are things that are actually looks like they will never go away. I don't know if someone who washed them used Clorox, because it looks like one side is a bit too white. It's not the color of the original color of the chairs. I'm going to show you so that you can see what I'm talking about. And then we will start scrubbing the chairs. I hope this works. There are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 chairs plus the 2 that we use here up in the laundry room. So those are 8 chairs that I'm going to be washing. Let me show you guys how the chair looks like so that we can start. So everyone, these are the chairs. It looks like there is oil on them, and the color of this one is not the original color of it. And then there is this one. I don't know if all these will go, but we are going to try and see. And then we have this one. We have this. They are so dirty, you guys. We have this one. And then we have this one, you guys. So these are the chairs. And then we have the other 2. Let me show you. And then we have these 2. So my job here is to bring them back to life. I don't know if it is going to work, but we are going to try and see. From the start, where I started from, I had a feeling that something is going to go wrong. Okay, in case you want to know what really went wrong, please watch to the end and see what I'm talking about. But right now I'm just putting the machine, because I'm going to be using the machine to do everything. So I'm going to be using Fairy. This one is for washing dishes, and then Vanish. This Vanish is for removing the dirt. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. I wanted to use also vinegar, but I put vinegar later after, but I didn't add it in this water. So right now I'm scrubbing the chairs. You guys, these chairs are so dirty. I think this is like the second time we are washing these chairs ever since I came in this house. And the first time it was someone else that I don't remember who it was, and this is the second time. But the chairs are so dirty. They have things that are very sticky and they cannot go away. As I was cleaning, that's when I started realizing that, because if you see from here, you can see that like when you put water, you can see that the dirty is gone, but when they start drying, that's when you see that you feel like you have done nothing. So you guys, you're going to see what I'm talking about at the end of the video. Keep watching.
Tell me if you still love me. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just a drug, and I know. I lied to way before.
Ain't got no tears in my body. I ran out, but boy, I like it.
So here I was removing water. I had finished washing the chairs. I was removing the water using the machine. This machine actually is very good, especially when you wash like a carpet, the chairs. It's so easy to remove the water from the chairs and carpets. So this is what I'm doing right now. And then after this, I'm going to put the chairs in the sun. That is the number 1 mistake that I have done. I should have let the chairs dry by air, not sun. I think that's what I think. What do you think, guys? please comment down in the comment section.
Tell me if you still love me. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? One-on-one, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just a drug, and I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I lied to way before.
Ain't got no tears in my body. I ran out, but boy, I like it. No matter how, what, when, who tries it, we out here vibing. We vibing, we vibing. Even when it's raining down, can't stop, so shut your mouth. And if you don't know, then I know it, babe. Know it, babe, yeah. Right now, I'm in a state of mind. I wanna be in like all the time. Ain't got no tears left to cry. So I'm picking it up, picking it up. I'm living, I'm picking it up. Just want you to come with me. We on another mentality. Ain't got no tears left to cry. So I'm picking it up, picking it up. I'm living, I'm picking it up.
Yeah. They throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick. I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I
Okay.
Yeah. They throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick. I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it.
Baby, I'm sure it's all the nights over. All the stress is over. Love is for better or worse, and it goes. You're bipolar. I'm not you say, but you take me in all your areas. No one else can take you. Say
Hi besties, how are you doing? I'm going to school. I just finished washing the chairs. The moment I finished like this, my boss called me to go and pick her daughter from school because she's not feeling well, and I left the chairs outside. Once they are dry, I will show you. My channel is picking up, and I've seen whenever I upload Saturday evening, I think that's when my subscribers are online. There is like a difference. Like last time I uploaded my video on Sunday and it didn't get views. Like it's now at 93 views, imagine. And the video that I uploaded last week on Saturday, Today is Tuesday. It is at around, I think, 100 something. So my channel is picking up again. This time I will not abandon my channel because I've learned the hard way. You see now how I'm struggling. Imagine the person who used to get like 2k views, 5k, 10k. Now I'm getting 100 views. Can you imagine? Anyways, things happen. That is life. But now I need a breakthrough. And I don't know how that breakthrough is going to come or how it is going to appear to me. But I can feel it. It is coming. I can feel that breakthrough is coming very soon. By the way, if I start earning from YouTube like every month, I'll leave this job. Because sometimes I sit down and I look back, I be like, why is it hard to quit? Like, you guys who quit your jobs, how do you do it? Like, it's so hard. I'm ranting, okay? Forgive me. But it's so hard to quit. I don't know why. And before it wasn't like this. I don't know if I'm comfortable. And then now I feel like, I don't know. For you guys who quit, like, how do you do it? You just swallow the pin and be like, I'm going to quit, come what may. God will provide. Or maybe I haven't had like any reason to quit my job, maybe. But at some point, I need to grow, you know. At some point, I feel like I need to grow, and I cannot grow in this environment. I cannot grow when I'm still in the same place. So I need to change the environment. I need to change the place so that I can grow. I feel like there's a lot of things that I can do if I have freedom. Like if I'm free to do whatever I want in the house, I feel like I can do a lot of things that will benefit me, that will bring growth in my life. That's how I feel. We shall see. Guys, I will see you when I go back home. I will